Well, there you got it. The Walmart 100 horsepower upgrade for your Honda TRX-90. Yeah. I got that little fucker to fit. It's not a very good fit, but I got it on there. The old muffler, I thought was surprisingly heavy. It's like, has a good few pounds on there, so I actually did make it lighter by throwing on an exhaust tip, but it's gonna be loud as hell. But those guys over there got quite as loud as hell, and somebody around here goes apeshit with their gun, so. Because I think it's gonna sound stupid. Doesn't seem all that louder. It's got a weird sound to it though. I think it made it a lot louder. Oh well. Oh, is that loud enough for you? Damn thing got a hell of a lot louder. Heavy ass restrictor muffler. saw an improvement, if you ask me. On an e-brake, hard to drive one-handed. That's revenge at its best. Assuming noise complaints we get. Because that thing is loud. It's louder than my damn lawnmowers. And trust me, if it's louder than my damn lawnmowers that I had on my past, it's fucking loud. That little 5 horsepower, 6 horsepower, 86cc engine to death. Fucking red line for a good time. But yeah, it's that same Walmart tip, that Walmart muffler tip I had on my Sentra. I figured, hey, just throw it on here. Pretty like some